How many Spanish food words do you really know? You'll see 100 delicious foods. Guess each one before the answer appears. Ready? Keep track of your score and tell us how you did in the comments. Let's begin. How do you say burger?
Hamburguesa.
How do you say pizza?
Pizza.
How do you say hot dog?
Perro caliente.
How do you say fries?
Papas fritas.
How do you say taco?
Taco.
How do you say chicken?
Pollo.
How do you say steak?
Bistec.
How do you say bacon?
Tocino.
How do you say eggs?
Huevos.
How do you say pancakes?
Panqueques.
How do you say waffles?
Waffles.
How do you say donut?
Dona.
How do you say cookie?
Galleta.
How do you say cake?
Pastel.
How do you say ice cream?
Helado.
How do you say sandwich?
Sandwich.
How do you say salad?
Ensalada.
How do you say soup?
Sopa.
How do you say pasta?
Pasta.
How do you say rice?
Arroz.
How do you say bread?
Pan.
How do you say cheese?
Queso.
How do you say ham?
Jamón.
How do you say sausage?
Salchicha.
How do you say popcorn?
Palomitas.
How do you say chips?
Papas. De bolsa.
How do you say nuggets?
Nuggets.
How do you say ribs?
Costillas.
How do you say wings?
Alitas de pollo.
How do you say shrimp?
Camarones.
How do you say fish?
Pescado.
How do you say burrito?
Burrito.
How do you say nachos?
Nachos.
How do you say cereal?
Cereal.
How do you say oatmeal?
Avena.
How do you say toast?
Tostada.
How do you say bagel?
Bagel.
How do you say muffin?
Muffin.
How do you say brownie?
Brownie.
How do you say pie?
Tarta.
How do you say milk?
Leche.
How do you say soda?
Refresco.
How do you say juice?
Jugo.
How do you say water?
Agua.
How do you say coffee?
Café.
How do you say tea?
Té.
How do you say yogurt?
Yogur.
How do you say butter?
Mantequilla.
How do you say honey?
Miel.
How do you say jam?
Mermelada.
How do you say apple?
Manzana.
How do you say banana?
Plátano.
How do you say orange?
Naranja.
How do you say grapes?
Uvas.
How do you say lemon?
Limón.
How do you say strawberry?
Fresa.
How do you say chocolate?
Chocolate.
How do you say candy?
Dulces.
How do you say onion?
Cebolla.
How do you say tomato?
Tomate.
How do you say potato?
Papa.
How do you say corn?
E agora mostra.
Maíz.
How do you say beans?
Frijoles.
How do you say garlic?
Ajo.
How do you say carrot?
Zanahoria.
How do you say meatballs?
Albóndigas.
How do you say lasagna?
Lasaña.
How do you say pepperoni?
Pepperoni.
How do you say barbecue?
Barbacoa.
How do you say ketchup?
Ketchup.
How do you say mustard?
Mostaza.
How do you say mayonnaise?
Mayonesa.
How do you say pickles?
Pepinillos.
How do you say lettuce?
Lechuga.
How do you say avocado?
Aguacate.
How do you say mushrooms?
Champiñones.
How do you say subway?
Sándwich. Largo.
How do you say quesadilla?
Quesadilla.
How do you say tuna?
Atún.
How do you say salmon?
Salmón.
How do you say lobster?
langosta,
How do you say crab?
cangrejo,
How do you say pork?
cerdo,
How do you say beef?
res,
How do you say turkey?
pavo,
How do you say biscuit?
biscuit,
How do you say pudding?
pudín,
How do you say jelly?
gelatina,
How do you say wieners?
salchichas cortas,
How do you say pretzel?
pretzel,
How do you say milkshake?
batido,
How do you say smoothie?
batido frutal,
How do you say lemonade?
limonada,
How do you say croissant?
croissant,
How do you say cupcake?
cupcake,
How do you say cheesecake?
pay de queso,
How do you say macaroni?
macarrones,
How do you say omelette?
tortilla de huevo,
How do you say oysters?
ostras,
How do you say peanuts?
cacahuates.
How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more Spanish quizzes and check out our other videos. See you next time!